Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm back to share with you this beautiful beret. It is an easy and quick one to make, perfect for fall. So the beret, this one is for medium size. I'll start by showing you how to make it, the standard way to make it, and then I'll explain how to make it for different sizes as well. So the beret starts with the flat circle, certain number of flat circle, then working in the rounds again for a certain number, then a decrease at the end to shape it into the perfect beret. As I said, for different sizes, I'll explain once I show you how to make the basic one. So let's get started. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn of your choice with the recommended hook on the yarn label. So I have used half double crochet to make this beret because it's pretty. It's as pretty as the single crochet and it's fast to work as well. So within an hour or two you can make a beret. I'll start with a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 3. I'm gonna make 9 half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Okay. So I've got 9 here. I'm gonna join to the top chain 3 with a slip stitch. Okay. For the second row I'm gonna chain 1 only and then I will count first. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So I'll start my first work in this stitch, not in this one. So I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in every stitch. So the last 2 half double crochet and I should get 18 stitches total. So the first round was 9, the second round is double, so it's 18, and I'll join with a slip stitch to the top chain 1, and this is how you get it. Top chain 1 or the first stitch, the top of the half double crochet. So we'll proceed to the next round where we'll start decreasing the double half, the 2 double half double crochet. So I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, I will follow with 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and I will repeat 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following stitch, till the end of the round. So with every round you add the last number, which was 18 in the last round, you add 9 to it. So 18 plus 9, yeah, you should get 27 stitches. And it goes on the same way. You add 9 stitches to every round to get the number for the next round. So 1/2 double crochet in the last stitch and join. We'll count first to see if the number is right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 and 27. That's it. Join. Oops. Okay. The next round I'll chain 1 and I will keep increasing. Now the increase will be 1/2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. I will start with 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. I will follow with 1/2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches and I will repeat. So 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1/2 double crochet, 2 in the next one, 1 in the next 2. So for the beret you need to have a large circle, so it gives the look of the beret or beret, depends how you pronounce it. So I will make a large circle of around 9 to 10 rounds and then I will shape it into I will work in rounds without any decrease or increase. So we'll continue increasing first, decreasing first before we go to the next step. And the last 2 stitches, 1 single crochet each and join. So this is round 4 complete. 1 2 3 4. Fifth round, 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. Oops. 1/2 double crochet in the following 3 stitches this time. And repeat. 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, in the following stitch, sorry, I keep doing the same mistake, and 1 half double crochet in the following 3 stitches, to be repeated till the end of the round. fifth row finished, sixth row. Now chain one again. Now 2 half double crochet in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following 4 stitches. So you understood by now that with every round we increase the number of half double crochet by 1. So I will finish 8 rows total, then I will come back to show you how to work the second half of the beret. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and repeat. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6, and join. So this is the 8th round finished, where I did 2 half double crochet in one stitch, 1 half double crochet in the following 6 stitches. So here finished 8 rounds, like in here, and now I'm gonna start working in the rounds for the next 8 rounds. So this is for medium size. You work 8 rounds of flat circle, then 8 rounds in the round means 1 half double crochet in each and every stitch without any increase or decrease, and then we'll shape it into a beret. If you want a larger size, you add 1 row. You can make 9 rounds of a flat circle, then followed by 9 rounds of working in the rounds before shaping into a beret. For smaller size, you reduce this number by 1 round as well. Okay, so that way you get the size of your preference. So again, I'm gonna chain 1 and simply half double crochet in every stitch, which will shape the beret initially into a beanie. Then later we'll work it to give it the final shape. So for the next 8 rounds, half double crochet. And I'll come back to show you the before the final step. So here I have finished 8 rows of half double crochet in the round. Now we're gonna make the round of decrease to shape the beret. So I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna make a decrease, 2 half double crochet together. So yarn over, insert the hook into the yarn, pull through, yarn over, insert the yarn into the hook, pull through, and pull through all slowly. Okay, and that's a decrease. I will follow with 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and that's all I need to do for this round. 2 half double crochet together, followed by 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And here I'm at the end again. and the last 2 stitches, and I'll join. Oops. So now for the next 3 rounds after the decrease, I'm gonna make 1 half double crochet in every stitch again. So only 1 half double crochet in every stitch for the next 3 rounds, or you can make 2 rounds if you wish, depending on you. I will show you the final result with this one. So this is the last half double crochet of round 3, and now the last step, it is optional, but if you want to do it, it's better. So I'll chain 1 and I'll simply slip stitch around, just 1 round of slip stitch before I fasten off. And this is the last stitch, and okay, so this is the final look of the beret. This is how it looks like. So similar to this one, this yarn is a bit thinner than this one, this is thicker, and this is the last look. So we'll check the measurement. So this measures around 22 centimeters on 25 here. This one is, oops, saying 22 on 25. So that's how much it measures. So as we said, you start with a flat circle. For medium size I did 8 rounds of flat circle, and then I followed with 8 rounds of half double crochet around. Then I made a decrease after the 8 rounds, so total of 16 rounds, after which you do 1 round of decrease, and you follow with 3 rounds of half double crochet, and the last is slip stitch around before you fasten off. Same for this one as well. And that's how you make a beanie, a beret for winter. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy and useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.